All rise. Support court with Judge Vonda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1064, Adams case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Adams?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, I decided that I need a little more money a month with the child that we have, so that's why I'm here.
All right. So currently, how much are you receiving?
I think it's about minimum wage.
Okay, so about, what, $213 or so? Something like that?
Yes, around
Okay.
that.
All right. How old is the child?
She's 5.
Okay. Does mom give anything extra? Has she been doing anything extra?
No.
Okay. So how did you all get...
Welcome to Truth Plus. Today's case has it all. Alleged abuse, bipolar disorder, and a 5-year-old caught in the crossfire. Mr. Adams says he's struggling, while mom, with a $55,000 job, still refuses more support. She even admits to attacking him over microwaved food. Judge Vonda B must decide. Is this hardship, manipulation, or both?
She's on minimum wage child support. Was she working previously?
She was working previously, and then she quit the job, I want to say. I can't really get that backstory out of her. But we had to separate her, and I couldn't do it.
You couldn't do what anymore?
I couldn't be with her. She started to get very just abusive for what it is. My breaking point, she went upside my head because I couldn't put her food in the microwave.
Oh, wow. This lady did that?
No.
She looks so sweet.
No. You darn near need to get the bailiff in here. I can't. She's very abusive. She can play the funk.
Oh, okay. You're not gonna throw nothing at me, are you?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Well, he said you went upside his head. I just want to make sure you don't try to go upside mine.
You know, it was a rough day that day. You know, Your Honor, I'm diagnosed bipolar, and I was just having a really rough day. And our child, she was just really just crying all day, and I just needed a little bit of help. And he was just saying he couldn't help me at home, and so that's why I just kind of acted out.
Oh, okay. So it was an isolated incident?
Huh?
Was it an isolated incident?
I'm sorry, when she get her foot going like that, I just... Say it again.
Was it an isolated incident?
What do you mean? Isolated?
Like, did that happen one time?
No.
She's gone upside your head numbers of times.
No, numbers, dozens.
It's because he let my medication. I was off my medication, and he said he couldn't pay for it because it was too expensive. You know, but I'm back on my medication.
Wait. She hit him because he didn't microwave her food. That's not petty, that's abuse. And it's happened dozens of times, not once. Abuse isn't always visible, but the emotional toll is real. This case is no longer just about child support. It's a safety issue. Can bipolar disorder excuse repeated violence? Or is there more?
He said we were going to try and work things out. You know, I still love him. I mean, look at him. He's a fine-looking man, and you know, I love our child. And
He's a nice-looking guy.
I really want to work it out, and I just got this new job.
Tell me about that new job.
Well, I'm a manager at a fast food restaurant.
Okay.
And I'm trying to get back on my feet, and but I got a lot of debt, so I have to save that money, and I don't feel like I can pay more child support right now.
How much are you making now at your new job?
I'm making $55K.
55,000. That's a lot from where you're at now.
I didn't have anything before, and I just have a lot of the credit card debt.
Okay.
And health debt, you know, with my medication and my visits.
I understand. You understand that he has things that he needs to pay for you all's daughter, right?
Yes.
And I can only imagine $200 or so for a 5-year-old is not cutting it.
It's not.
You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's only fair that your child support is increased because your income has changed and you have the means now to support your daughter a little bit better. Now, that's not to say, I understand that you have debt. I understand that you have things that you have to pay for, but with what's in the best interest of the child, your child support should be increased. You understand that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your daughter involved in any extracurricular activities or anything?
Yeah, she's in ballet.
Ballet, okay. How much is ballet?
It comes to about, I want to say, about 200 a month.
200 a month, okay. And she goes throughout the year?
Yes.
Okay. What about health insurance?
I pay health insurance.
All right, how much is health insurance?
It's about $222 a month.
Can mom attend any ballet?
She says she still loves him and claims she's changing, but love doesn't pay for ballet, insurance, or school supplies. Her $55,000 salary is a big jump, yet she's seeking sympathy for her own debts instead of prioritizing her child. Should her personal bills outweigh parental duties? Or is it time the focus returned to the child?
Oh, okay, I see. So mom had supervised visits.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. All right. So this is what we're going to do, ma'am. We are going to adjust your child support so that it increases to reflect what it should be based on your new income. You testified that your new amount was $55,000. That would bring your gross to $4,580, bringing your net to $3,504. You only have one child? This is your only child?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's going to be based on 20%, which brings your child support amount to $700.80. And you do have to reimburse dad for the health insurance, okay? So that $780 plus the $222 for health insurance reimbursement, that brings your monthly obligation to $922.80 per month.
Supervised visits, that speaks volumes. When the court won't allow a parent alone with their child, it signals serious concern. This supports Mr. Adams's claims. While she pushes to pay less, the judge is clearly focused on safety and needs. How can she expect leniency when the court already questions her ability to parent responsibly?
You understand that?
Can I just mention one thing, Your Honor?
Sure.
Reggie, he's a used car salesman, and he sold me this discounted car, and it's just a junk car, and I've been having so many bills on this car.
Okay.
And I just had it in the shop, and it was $750.
All right.
Because it's just breaking down, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to afford all this, because he's the one who sold me this and said it was a good car.
So, what
Your
did
Honor,
you
in my
want me to do
defense,
about it?
I sold her that car.
Well, here's the deal. I don't even need your defense because I didn't need her story. It doesn't have any impact on what it is that I have to do. This isn't a divorce where, you know, we're in a temporary orders hearing and we're talking about splitting debts and anything like that. So it's irrelevant to what we're doing here today. However you have to take care of that expense, that's how you're going to have to handle it. And if the two of you have an issue that ends up having to result in litigation, that'll be done in a different court.
Boom, $922.80 a month. That's a major jump, including health insurance reimbursement. The judge based it on 20% of her net income for one child. Fair, legal, non-negotiable. Debt doesn't erase responsibility. If you can work, you can support your child. No drama, no excuses, just the math and the child's needs
first. So as of today, your
first.
child support has been increased to $922.80. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Judge Vonda raised her payments to $922.80, focusing solely on the child's best interests. Despite emotional drama, car sales, and debt claims, the court stayed firm. Supervised visits, higher support, and zero distractions. This wasn't about who's emotional. It was about who's responsible. Shocking. Like, comment, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns on